Tomato dreams and garden view, bursting flavors just for you. From the vine to dinner plate, a tasty love we celebrate. Sunny days make flavors bold, nature's gems you can't withhold. Bite into that ruby pie, savor life and realize. In the market or at home, tomato choice where we roam. A simple pleasure that is free, nature's gift to you and me. Tomato dreams and garden view, bursting flavors just for you. From the vine to dinner plate, a tasty love we celebrate. Sunny days make flavors bold, nature's gems you can't withhold. Bite into that ruby pie, savor life and realize.
चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल आइकन दबाएं ताकि आप हमारी आने वाली वीडियोस को कभी ना छोड़ें।